Want to make those super cute hanging planters you see everywhere these days? RA, it's damn easy, yaar. Just grab some glass jars or bottles lying around the house and some cotton or jute rope. Step 1, measure the height of your glass jar. Step 2, cut 6 pieces of rope, each 5 times longer than the height of your jar. Step 3, take another piece of rope and tie it securely around the top of the jar. Step 4 now. Take those 6 long pieces of rope and tie them to the rope attached to the jar's neck. Keep equal distance between them. Step 5 now. Start tying knots in a diamond pattern, just like I showed you in the video. Step 6, keep tying until you reach the bottom of the jar. See how beautiful the pattern is turning out? Step 7, tie a tight knot at the bottom of the jar to secure the pattern. Trim off the extra ropes and any uneven ends. There you go. Your aesthetic hanging planter is ready to showcase. Hang your favorite plants and decorate your place all nice and pretty. To keep connected with Srota Lodha, don't forget to share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.